How to start with Odoo Resolution Center. It still looks a little bit technical, and of course, Odoo experts can help you to configure everything, but on the other hand, it's so simple that maybe you can do it by yourself. So first you have to log in, then you are going to the interface where normally you will see the chat, but at the beginning, the system asking you to set up an API key. And what it is, this is something inside of the Odoo, and it's like a key. Yeah. So if our system knows the key to your Odoo, then it can manipulate, it can give you reports, it can configure anything you want. But without this key, it is impossible. What is really nice that with this key, the system and our Odoo Resolution Center will be able to do exactly what you can do as a user according to your permissions. So let's say if you are admin, then you can do whatever you want. But if you are just a user of the system and have an access to just particular modules or functions, then this is exactly what our AI will be able to do. So your company policies still working as it was designed. So in order to do that, you're going to your Odoo, you click into your name, and you're going to your profile. Then in your profile, you have to find security section, and it is here. Then if you go down to the security section, you will see API keys, and then you have to click the new API key, and you can name it Odoo Resolution Center. Okay, and then that's up to you to decide if you want to give this key for week, months, 3 months, 6 months, year, or persistent. I would decide to take persistent key here, and then you will generate this. Then here you will have a code, which you don't see now, but it's definitely will be here. You have to copy it exactly now, because then it will be not so simple to find it. So just make copy of that, go to your Odoo Resolution Center, and replace it in a way of pasting it here, and then save it. Okay, of course you shouldn't remember it. So you have a key here, it is already up and running, and then now you can start with your tasks. So for example, you can say, hello, check my permissions, and send it. Here it is. So you already have the first task created in Odoo Resolution Center, and our agent is checking the permissions. That's how you can get an access to Odoo Resolution Center, and that's how you can set up it. But if you have any issues, you can always contact to our experts, and they will help you to go through this journey. Thank you for watching that.